Introducing the 2026 Prevost Liberty Motorhome, the ultimate in mobile luxury. This floating castle makes a strong impression with its aerodynamic, streamlined design and large panoramic windows. The well-known Prevost chassis, which is renowned for its strength, longevity, and very smooth ride, serves as its base. That sophisticated design is supported by a powerful Volvo D13 engine and Allison transmission, which provide the kind of performance and dependability you would expect from a vehicle of size. When parked, this coach becomes a very spacious living area thanks to the integrated Prevost platform design, which guarantees a pleasant ride, and the triple slide-out sections that increase the internal capacity at the press of a button. Upon entering the cockpit, you are greeted by an opulent and easily navigable command center. The days of having a lot of buttons and dials are over. With its large integrated touchscreen display and cutting-edge digital instrument cluster at its core, the dashboard is a marvel of modern design. This is where the cutting-edge smart home management system is located, giving you complete control over the motorhome's climate, entertainment, lighting, and security. The driving experience is both high-tech and stress-free because of the sophisticated safety systems and high-resolution cameras that provide 360-degree view. The main living area is obviously of custom quality. The best handcrafted materials are all around you as soon as you enter, including heated marble flooring, rich, bespoke wood cabinets, and luxurious, designer chairs covered in exquisite leather. With a spacious sitting space ideal for entertaining or just unwinding, the arrangement is airy and welcoming. The design expertly incorporates both its large OLED smart TV and top-tier audio equipment. The area can be transformed from a comfortable haven to a bustling social center by adjusting the fiber optic ceiling lighting to fit the requirements of each occasion. A quiet haven created for optimal relaxation is the master suite. The focal point is a king-sized bed with an opulent mattress, encircled by beautiful lighting and cabinets. To create a clutter-free atmosphere, there are several closets and storage spaces. The placement of a second smart TV is ideal for watching late at night, and soundproofing makes sure that outside noise never wakes you up. After a long day of travel, this peaceful haven, which is more than simply a bedroom, is a wonderful spot to relax and recuperate. The bathroom is as luxurious and serene as a 5-star hotel spa. It is refreshing to take a full-sized shower with a rainfall showerhead and a glass enclosure. Beautiful marble or tile floors, a designer sink, and sophisticated fixtures complete the room. The area is kept tidy and immaculate with creative storage options and adequate illumination. Additionally, some models have a bathroom-and-a-half arrangement, which gives you and your guests even more privacy and convenience. This is a gourmet culinary workplace on wheels, not simply a kitchen. The kitchen is furnished with high-end appliances that are suitable for a domestic setting. Included are a built-in induction cooktop, a convection oven, and a full-size refrigerator and freezer. Beautiful, long-lasting quartz or other high-quality solid surfaces are used to make the countertops, and the bespoke cabinetry offers an amazing amount of storage space for all of your cookware and supplies. This area is made for serious cooking, so you can swiftly make anything from a fast snack to a 5-course dinner.